2, 1, drive!
Fuel flying in the air on the red side. That's 4662. Bite-sized Robotics taking care of it. Meanwhile, it's their alliance partners. Looks like 4915 has delivered the gear and gotten the red rotor turning. And with all that, 82-15 is going to be the advantage for red as the drivers step up. Blue not going to be far behind. They've got a gear on board their airship. They pick up the reserve gear and a third one coming up. And we should see 2 rotors turning on both airships in just a few moments. Fuel flying at the red boiler, 4915. They've been doing that all season long, dating back to week 1. And they're not going to stop now that they're at the district championships. 12 kilopascals of pressure generated, and still plenty of time for that number to increase. Robotics at the blue airship, they've delivered a gear. They're going to back out, go in search of another, and the Dragons are going to come in and take their place. Very slowly moving is the 1595 robot. In contrast, 4061 zips on back, and they'll put another blue gear on the airship and be ready to play and get that third rotor churning. Meanwhile, we're up to 20 kilopascals of pressure, now 21 in the red boiler thanks to 4915. Spartronics off in search of more fuel as we hit 1 minute to play and just a 3-point difference in the score. 138-135, the lead for red. Red Alliance is 1 rotor down, but the fuel is making up that difference so far, and if they can get that third rotor spinning, it's going to make a big change in our scoring system. Blue Alliance is 4 gears short of getting their 4th rotor going, and with only 38 seconds to go, it'll be tight to see if they can make it happen. Now 185-135, Red Alliance out to a 50-point, now 51-point lead, 31 kilopascals of pressure in the boiler, 30 seconds to go. Let's see if the Spartronics can make it to 40. They're getting harassed down here at the other end of the field by the Robotics. Robotics doing everything in their power to make sure the Red Alliance does not finish off this match the way they want. Everybody finally breaks free, and Spartronics with no choice but to go home and try to be ready for flight. Meanwhile, 1 robot on each alliance already on board. Here's a second. Gearhead Pirates with a very fast climb. There go the Cyborgs. There goes the Spartronics. And just short is 4915. Not able to trigger that touchpad in time. But with the scores showing on the screen being confirmed as official, they did enough, and as the airships take flight, the victory will go to your Red Alliance. Not able to get on board, but an outstanding effort with the fuel helps 4915 lead their alliance to victory and 2 ranking points.